In this session, let us understand the difference between cost accounting and management accounting. To start with, let's look at the nature. Cost accounting will record only quantitative aspects, whereas management accounting will record both quantitative as well as qualitative aspects. The second difference is with regard to the objective. The objective of cost accounting is to record cost of producing a product or providing a service, whereas the objective of management accounting is to provide information to the management so that they can do necessary planning and coordination. The third difference is with regard to rules and regulation. In cost accounting, you have to follow certain principles and procedures for recording cost of different products, whereas for management accounting, there are no such specific rules and regulations. The fourth difference is with regard to the area. Cost accounting deals only with cost ascertainment, whereas management accounting has got wider scope because it includes say budgeting, tax planning, financial accounting and so on. Then fifth difference, this is with regard to recording of data. Cost accounting will use both past and present figures, whereas management accounting is focused with the preparation of figures for future. And the sixth difference is with regard to development. Cost accounting was developed in relation to industrial revolution, whereas management accounting was developed according to the needs of modern business world. Thanks for watching this video and I hope you like this lecture. If you wish to learn more on the areas related to this topic, check our comprehensive course. I have shared the details and link in the description below. Click, sign up and enroll. I'll see you inside the course.